How to add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. After you've opened Facebook, click on Create Story. Then, at the top, click on Select Multiple. Then you'll be able to select multiple pictures. Select the pictures and press on Next. Click on Photo Collage. Then you'll be able to resize the photo as you want. And on the left side, you'll find music icon. Simply click on music icon on the right side. After that, select the music you prefer. After it's selected, you can adjust it wherever you want and press on share at the bottom right, and you're good to go. This is how to add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.